Section 2. You will hear a man talking about a mountain hiking festival. Choose the correct answer, A, B, or C. Now you have some time to look at questions 11 to 15. Now listen carefully and answer questions 11 to 15.
Good evening, everyone. Tonight, we're talking about the annual Silver Peak Hiking Festival, which begins this Friday in the mountain town of Elmsford. The festival was first organized nearly 15 years ago by local business owners who wanted to encourage more visitors to explore the natural beauty of the area. At that time, tourism in the region was declining, and many small hotels and restaurants were struggling financially. Since then, the event has grown into one of the most popular outdoor festivals in the country, attracting thousands of hiking enthusiasts every year. This year's festival will officially open on Friday evening in the town square. Unlike previous years, the organizers have planned a cultural program featuring local musicians performing traditional mountain music. According to the organizers, the aim is to give visitors a stronger connection to the history and culture of the region rather than focusing only on sport and exercise. Over the weekend, participants will be able to choose from several guided hiking routes of different lengths and difficulty levels. Festival organizers have reminded visitors that all participants must carry enough food and water for their walks, since some routes pass through remote areas without cafes or shops. Mountain weather can also change quickly, so hikers are advised to bring waterproof clothing and suitable walking shoes. One important change this year concerns the Eagle Pass route, which is usually one of the most popular hikes. Heavy storms during the winter badly damaged a wooden bridge along the path, making that section unsafe for visitors. As a result, organizers have created an alternative route that will still allow hikers to reach the main viewpoint safely. In addition to hiking activities, the festival will also include photography workshops, environmental talks, and a local food market near the river. Many visitors stay in the town for the entire weekend because of the variety of activities available. The festival will conclude on Sunday evening with a prize ceremony in the Central Park. Awards will be presented for several categories, including Best Landscape Photograph and Fastest Team Completion Time in the Long Distance Mountain Challenge. Tickets for guided walks should be booked in advance, as places on some routes are already nearly full. For more information, listeners can visit the festival website or contact the Elmsford Tourism Office directly.